Saku here, and today we're going to show you how to set up your Lumos and also give you some tips and tricks on using the Lumos Ray Smart Projector. So first, check the topics first here. So first we're going to show you how to set it up. So out of the box, here is the Lumos, so let's do some setup. Alright, so once you got your Lumos Ray Smart Projector, together with it comes the remote control. So make sure you put a battery on the back of it to use the Lumos Ray Smart Projector. The first thing that you would like to do is to connect it to a Wi-Fi. So here from the settings, you go to the Wi-Fi. By the way, I'm going to show you how I'm pushing the remote just so you have a guide on how to use the remote control. So basically, assuming you're on the home screen, this left and right here is a cursor and this is down, so that you go down here, then you go on top of the Wi-Fi, then press the OK. There, then it's going to start searching for Wi-Fi connections. This is my Wi-Fi. By the way, Lumos only connects to 2.4 GHz, so there you go. And I will be placing my password. Okay, so once I entered it, I'm going to press on this green button, connecting to my Wi-Fi network. Connected successfully! There you go. Now I can go and enjoy YouTube. So the YouTube logo is there. And by default, you can already start browsing with this one. Also, if you have complications using the cursor, you can push on this mouse button here, and you can just use this cursor like a computer and just click on any of the things that you would like to start playing. Let's go back and try the Netflix. There you go. So once you click the Netflix, do not update it, just click on cancel because the current version installed already in Lumos is the best version, optimized version for Lumos Ray Smart. And let the Netflix load. Then there you have it. You press the mouse cursor button and you can click on the sign in. I know you have the same feeling. You're having a problem, entering the letters one by one, or using the mouse with this one is not that convenient. The best thing you can do actually is your Lumos actually has a USB port. So you can connect a mouse here, or if you have a USB keyboard, you can also connect that. But I have the best solution right now for you. Ta-da! So this is the Logitech K400 keyboard, which comes with a trackpad and a keyboard. Actually, whether a keyboard with a trackpad or a keyboard or a mouse, as long as it supports a USB wireless connection or a USB connection, even if it's wired, it will work on Lumos. So I'm going to connect this receiver right here. Okay, so I'm going to connect this receiver right here. So there you have it. You can see that the trackpad here is working, and even with regards to the keyboard, it's working. You just type in your email account for your Netflix and your password, then you click here on the sign in. I've entered the information. You can also use your remote, or you can connect via USB wireless keyboard or a mouse, or a wired one will also work. Then I'll just click on the sign in there. Sometimes it just takes some time on signing in. If it takes too much time, you can just go back first, and once you go back in again, you'll just notice you're already inside. While signing in, just click the back button twice and go back to the home and click again this Netflix. Then you'll just notice you're already inside your account. And there you have it. You can enjoy Netflix. So just select anything from here and just select anything, and you can start enjoying your Netflix. There you go. First of all, from your projector, you go back to the home screen. You choose this Airscreen. Then it's going to start the Airscreen app. Make sure your phone and the Lumos Ray is on the same internet network. Just type the Google Home and click on the Google Home, and here you'll find the AS Ray Cast. That's the Lumos Ray Smart. Click on it and you'll find some buttons below. Just click on the Cast My Screen below and Cast Screen. And of course, push the Start Now. Then, tada! My phone is on the screen of Lumos Ray. Thank you very much, Lumos Ray, for projecting that. And you can also turn it landscape like this. So basically, it reflects whatever orientation your phone has. And this time, let's just try playing a video online. Let's try to open a YouTube. There you go. It plays, and of course, all controls are from your phone. Some tips on doing mirror casting or air screening. So with regards to that one, your phone and Lumos should be on the same network. Sometimes maybe your phone is on the same network by the name, but maybe on the 5 gigahertz network, while your Lumos is on the 2.4 gigahertz section. In that case, just set your Wi-Fi of your phone from the 5 gigahertz, shift it to the 2.4 gigahertz so that it's on the same network, exactly on the same network, so they can share and do mirror casting. So if you're having some internet problems, or if you're worried about the Wi-Fi, there is a Wi-Fi indicator on your Lumos screen. Usually if you have full 4 bars, then your Wi-Fi signal is good enough. If your internet still is not good, then maybe your router has an issue. So try restarting the router, and if your internet is good, then the Lumos should be also working properly as well. Alright, so in case that you're having some lagging issues or some problems with the app itself, then one of the options is to reformat the Lumos Ray Smart Projector. And you might think this YouTube or the Netflix might be deleted. The only thing that will be deleted is the information of the accounts and your Wi-Fi registration, those kind of information. But the app itself will be here even if you reformat it, so don't worry. So let's try it. So first, just go up here on the settings. So in case you are having some lagging issues or you find the app slow on the Lumos Ray Smart Projector, some things you can do is here on the home app settings, you can do a memory clean, and you can push a click to free up memory. And basically this will make your Lumos Ray Smart Projector a bit faster by cleaning it. Now, if this doesn't solve the problem, some other things you can do is reformat the Lumos Ray Smart Projector itself. So to reformat the Lumos Ray Smart Projector, from Home, Apps, Settings, under the Settings here, you choose the Update. But you're not going to do the System Upgrade. What you're going to do is the System Reset. So you click here, and confirmation message here. So press the Reset. Erase everything. So there you go, factory data reset. So the Lumos Ray logo will start. There you go, the YouTube, the Netflix, it's still here. So when you put your Lumos on a flat surface and towards a screen that is just on the 180 degrees straight, then it's okay. But in case you're going to put your Lumos on somewhere high, or you're gonna have a certain angle, or the wall is not straight, then you might get an unequal 4-point corners for your Lumos Ray screen. So in such cases, you can adjust it using the Keystone Correction. So for the Keystone Correction, you go into the Settings, and you go into the projection, and from there choose the Keystone setting. By default, the 4 points and zoom is being selected. Click on the horizontal and vertical. Now you have here the vertical keystone and the horizontal keystone. The horizontal keystone, when you move it right, then you can basically move your Lumos from side to side. So basically, if you push on the right side becomes smaller. If you push on the left, then the left side becomes a bit smaller. So basically at 0, it should be equal, but it really depends on. So once you got the best position, then you can just go back and the screen will stay as is. So basically you can adjust your screen Keystone by doing that setting. Now, if you want to try using Lumos together with your soundbar that is compatible with Bluetooth, or if you have a great headphones and you would like to use headphones, well, a Lumos Ray Smart Projector has a Bluetooth, so you can actually connect different devices, including headphones and speakers. So let's try it. First, you go into the settings and you go into the Bluetooth there. Then add device, or I should say add accessory, and it's going to start looking for device. So if you have a speaker, press on the pairing mode of your speaker. If you have a Bluetooth headphone, press on the pairing mode of your Bluetooth headphone. Then the device will show, and just click on the device. Then it will pair, and once it's paired, it will show that it's being paired, connected, and your speaker or your headphones are already working. When you buy a Lumos Ray Smart Projector, you get some cables out of the box. Besides the power cable, you get some AV cables, and also you will be getting an HDMI cable as well. So if you would like to connect your laptop with an HDMI port, so let's try connecting the HDMI port, connecting one side to your laptop and the other side to your Lumos Ray Smart Projector. And there you go, the screen of your laptop is being projected by the Lumos Ray Smart Projector. And also, you can connect analog inputs such as your if you have a handycam that has an AV output, or maybe a DVD player, game consoles that have an AV output, you can use this AV cable that comes right out of the box and connect it to your consoles or other gadgets and display it on your Lumos Ray Smart Projector. So as you can see, Lumos Ray Smart Projector is an all-in-one device with the speakers, the Wi-Fi connections, but actually it doesn't stop there. You can actually connect it with Bluetooth or even like analog or USB. So you have a lot of options, different ways of enjoying it. So connecting it to your keyboards and mouse will make it more easy to use, and also connecting it to a Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth headphones gives you a better experience. So today we have covered different topics and tricks for using Lumos Ray Smart Projector, and this is Isaku here, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.